Look at these little lights. Street lights. Wow, amazing. Very, very small. Let's compare it to the battery. I got 20 pieces. I want to use it for my model engines, like buildings. Maybe it works nice. This one is too narrow. I will try it. Let's see with this one. Okay, and this one maybe it might work right here. Yep, this might work right there. How about the other side? The other side too. That looks nice. Let's see if it works. That looks cool. White, clear white, not warm color. I choose white because it's much better for me. I'm just doing all love. Looking good. Now this little lamp measure the length of the lamp is 2 inches and 5/8 tall, and the base measures about 1/4 of an inch. The top also like 3/8 of an inch. If we go to centimeters, it's about close to 7 inches. 7 inches long, tall, by like a 6 or 7 millimeters wide on the bottom, and the top it's 1 centimeter. It looks really nice. It's plastic. It looks strong, and these cable wires are not that thin. I mean weak. It's this one right here is like I don't know, but it's really strong. Single wire. It looks really nice. I want to test. Let's see how they look on this building. looking good, huh? Alright, I don't have a battery compartment, but no problem. I'm gonna weld the batteries to the wires and to the switch. Right here I got this switch. Push on, off. Alright, we are done. Now we have a Maithwaite station with lamp lights. Looking good, huh? Alright, what do you guys think? Do you like this idea? I mean, somebody already made it, I think, but I'm showing you the process and how to make it yourself. So you can use a glue gun and you can weld the batteries with wires, as you've seen the entire process. The only thing you need is a switch. You need to find a switch so that way you can turn it on and off. And for the batteries, don't worry, once they are dead you just put the knife, cut everything, and you can do it again, unless you want to spend maybe $2 or $3 for the battery compartment, but that's an option. So that's it. Okay, thanks for watching. Over and out.